Hello everyone, this is Disha. I welcome you all to my channel Medical Disha. In this video, I will be sharing a few important questions of the chapter Living World. First question, in living organism, which is incorrect with respect to growth? First, in plants, it occurs continuously throughout their lifespan. Second, in animals, it is seen up to a certain age. Third, in majority of higher animals and plants, growth and reproduction are mutually exclusive events. Fourth, in living organisms, growth is from outside. We have to find the incorrect statement, which is fourth. Because in living organisms, growth is not from outside, growth is from inside. In living organisms, growth is intrinsic. First, second and third statements are correct. Second, which one of the following is not universal rule of nomenclature? First, biological names are printed in italics irrespective of their origin. Second, first word represents genus. Second component denotes specific epithet. Third, both the words when handwritten are separately underlined. Fourth, the first word and specific epithet starts with capital letter. So fourth is the wrong statement because the specific epithet starts with a small letter and first word genus starts with a capital letter. First, second and third rules are correct. In question 3, we have to match A. Man, B. Housefly, C. Mango, D. Wheat, P. Poaceae, Q. Hominidae, R. Muscidae, and S. Anacardiaceae. So man will go with Hominidae, housefly will go with Muscidae, mango will go with Anacardiaceae, wheat will go with Poaceae. So the right answer will become second. Fourth, taxonomic keys are tools that help in identification based on first characteristic, second herbarium, third classification, fourth none of these. Answer will be characteristic because keys are analytical devices. They are based on alternate characteristics. Question 5. Which of the following suffix is used for units of classification in plants to indicate family? Answer will be third, AC. AC suffix is used for family. Question 6. As we go from species to kingdom in a taxonomic hierarchy, the number of common characteristics decrease, increase, remains same, or none of these. As we go from species to kingdoms, number of organisms will increase, but number of common characteristics will decrease. There is a line that lower the taxa, more will be the common characteristics. Taxonomic category जितनी lower होएगी उतनी ज़्यादा कॉमन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक होंगी. तो जैसे ही हम हायर लेवल की तरफ जा रहे हैं, मतलब किंगडम की तरफ जा रहे हैं, तो नंबर ऑफ कॉमन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक कम होती जाएंगी. क्वेश्चन 7. टर्म सिस्टमैटिक्स was coined by Linnaeus for his book Systema Nature. It now includes identification, nomenclature, classification. Second, relationship among organisms. Third, diversity of organism. Fourth, all of these. So systematic includes all of these. Answer will be all of the above. Fourth. Question 8. The storehouse of collected plant specimens that are collected, dried and pressed on sheets. First, herbarium. Second, botanical garden. Third, museum. And fourth, zoological park. Answer will be herbarium. This is very easy. Question 9. ICZN International Code of Zoological Nomenclature, ICBN International Code of Botanical Nomenclature does not apply to virus, plants, animals, trees. Answer will be virus. Because for virus there is a separate international code of viral nomenclature. Question 10. Which of the following taxa covers greater number of organisms? First class, second order, third genus and fourth phylum. So phylum has the greater number of organisms among these four. So our answer will be phylum. Question 11 is match the following. Family, kingdom, order, species, genus. We have to match them. And these are the options. So family, Solanaceae is a family. A will go with 5. Solanaceae is a family. Plantae is a kingdom. Order is Polemoniales. Species is Tuberosum. Genus is Solanum. Answer will be first. Question 12. The first act in taxonomy is first identification, second classification, third nomenclature, fourth to find evolution. The first act in taxonomy is always identification. Question 13. All living organisms are linked to one another because first, they have common genetic material of the same type. Second, they share common genetic material to varying degrees. Third, all have common cellular organization. Fourth, all of the above. Answer will be all of the above. Question 14. Increase in mass and increase in number are twin characteristics of first, growth, second, reproduction, third, consciousness, fourth, metabolism. Answer will be growth. It is also very easy. Question 15 is match. Fungi, yeast and hydra, flatworms, mules. Options are in front of you. Fungi will go with asexual spores. Yeast and hydra will go with budding. Flatworms will go with regeneration. Mules do not reproduce. So answer is third.